Hey, and welcome back to Landland's World. So today I'll be showing you guys how to make an easy chicken and waffle recipe. Let's get started. Okay, so first we're going to start off with some chicken wings. My chicken wings are already clean, so we're just going to go ahead and add in some buttermilk. We're going to go ahead and pour the buttermilk straight into the chicken wings, and then we're going to put these in the fridge for about 30 minutes to an hour. Alright, so as our chicken wings sit in the fridge, we're going to go ahead and get started off with our waffle batter. Okay, so for our waffle mix, we're going to start off with some waffle mixture. I'm also going to go in with some cake mix as well. Cake mix is what's going to bring our waffles nice and fluffy. Now we're just going to go ahead and add in some eggs. And then we're going to go ahead and add in some milk, and then we're just going to mix this all together until it's nice and thick. We don't want it too lumpy, but we don't want it too smooth at the same time. Also, don't forget to check the description box for the full recipe. Alright, so now that our chicken wings has been sitting in the buttermilk for about 45 minutes, what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and take it out of the buttermilk so we can get to seasoning. Okay, so today we'll only be using the original spice by Chef Tina Lee. This is the only season we'll be using on this chicken wings. No need to add salt or anything. This season is a one and done. Now we're just going to go ahead and toss our chicken wings around. Just make sure that they're all nice and evenly coated. And now we're going to go ahead and get started with our breading. Okay, so for our breading, we'll be using all-purpose flour. And also with this breading, it's going to be real easy. We're only using 3 ingredients. Then we're going to add in some cornstarch just so we can get nice and crispy wings. And also to flavor our breading, we're going to go ahead and go back in with the original spice by Chef Tina Lee. Once we have all 3 of our ingredients, we're just going to go ahead and mix this in. And then we're going to get started to breading our chicken. Okay, so I'm just going to bread my chicken by taking the chicken, dipping it into the flour mixture, and then straight into the deep fryer. I know if you like, you can use a brown paper bag or also a Ziploc bag, but for this way, for me, it was just easier. Now I'm just going to go ahead and start to fry our chicken. It takes about 8 to 12 minutes to fry chicken. Also notice that when I'm frying chicken, I fry the flat separate and the drum separate. Look at our chicken. It came out nice and beautiful, golden brown. We're just going to go ahead and continue to fry the rest of the chicken. As I fry the remaining of the chicken, we're going to go ahead and get started with our waffles. So I'm just going to go ahead and spray our waffle maker with some Pam. And I do use the butter flavor. And then I'm going to go ahead and put 1 scoop of batter into each waffle section just because I don't want my waffle maker to overflow. 1 scoop is all I need. With my waffle maker, I set it to 4 so it could be nice and golden brown. And now that the waffle has beeped, we're just going to go ahead and check on our wonderful waffles. And there you have it, you guys, our wonderful easy waffles. Look how fluffy and nice those are. And there you have it, you guys, our easy chicken and waffle recipe. Don't that look gorgeous? I would like to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for the next one. Bye!